There's breaking news coming in. There's a massive ruckus in Visva Bharati University in Shantiniketan in West Bengal, and more than 3,000 locals have gathered to protest against construction of a wall around a Mela ground by the authorities. Protesters are throwing away the construction material like bricks and cement bags and generators that have been put up for work. There's this massive ruckus which has been caught on camera. It's on your screens at the moment. 3,000 locals have gathered to protest, and we're bringing you all the latest that is coming in from Visva Bharati University in Shantiniketan in West Bengal. Going straight across to Manogya, who's joining us from Visva Bharati University, Shantiniketan in West Bengal. Manogya, what is going on here?
Well, these are visuals of the campus around Visva Bharati University that has always been known for the heritage and the legacy that it holds of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore. But today, these visuals will, of course, leave everyone in a state of shock. The entire process was triggered after a construction of a wall began last week by the Visva Bharati authorities, after the Vice Chancellor ordered the construction of this wall around a Poush Mela ground. Poush Mela is an annual fair that is held every year in the winter season in this locality, especially on this ground, around 100 biga area that the ground is, which is also used by the locals every day for their jogging, running, spending time and even being there around. However, with a restriction of only being allowed till 5 p.m. in the evening. This also speaks volumes about the protests that have now triggered with the locals gathering from surrounding areas also. Remember, this also has a heritage value with their recognition, acknowledgement and the love and respect for Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore. This was the university founded by him. That's the reason why the protesters, the locals mostly claimed that the wall can be constructed later, and if not needed, it can be avoided, since most of the people have been here and they consider it as one of their emotional affection too. Amidst all this, since the wall construction started last week, there were different memorandums given, requests made, but however, the university didn't budge, and now with the locals, more than 3,000 people have gathered with throwing of bricks and whatever construction material was there.
Yes.
Even the JCB machines that were parked were being used by the locals.